Okay, so good evening, and this is the screen, and now I believe you all can hear. So I will just give a brief glimpse of the presentation. So the role of OERs in education, this is the topic which is the thing of discussion, and this will be the outline of the presentation. It will speak about the objectives, the introduction to different OERs, what are the 5 R's of OERs, why these OERs are important, and the need of OERs in the field of education, the benefits of OERs to teachers and the education institutes, the tools for OER development, and the licensing. Objectives made, there is a need to introduce the concept of OER, to state the 5 R's of OER, the need for OERs in the field of education, benefits and the licensing, and these will be the my main core objectives of the presentation. So let's explore the concept of OER. So when we speak of a content or a material in an openly licensed form, that is when the content is in the open license access, and where it is then the public domain, it can be used by learners, it can be shared by the instructors with the students, it could be in a form of software, videos, exams, textbooks. That is all coming in the category of OER. When you go to Google, these are the different definitions which are present on Google. The logos of OER, the 5 R's of OER are these: retain, reuse, revise, remix, redistribute. Means you can do all these things with OER. These are the benefits of OER. That is how they can be used to save money, time. It can democratize learning. It can be made with the student-centric main motto, and to keep it convenient for the learner, in which they will have continuous access to the resource, and it will have a good impact on the learner's ability. Need of OERs in the field of education because they are flexible. It promotes self-learning. It basically enhances the learning ability of the learner. It has an interdisciplinary approach. It improves quality, and it's a new method of academic transaction. Even teachers, they get benefit because they get global recognition. The scope of classroom is enhanced. It is not confined to classroom, four walls of classroom. The scope of children is now at a global level, and it also enhances the creativity of the teacher. Even the education institutes, they get the global recognition, and they have lots of important features, world-class curriculum, increase the support to distance education, and tie up with universities. So how do I develop OER? These are some of the tools, some of the softwares which can be employed to create OER, which could be text, image, audio, video. And these are the different licensing which could be used for the purpose of creating and safeguarding the different creations. That is very important. By which once you have created the OER, you can assign a proper license which could be used to safeguard the creation and use it for a proper purpose. This is the spectrum. The important ones for our self are the broad ones at the top. The most common one is CC by SA. It is creative by share alike. And this is the global current scenario where many countries have already adopted the scope of OER, and now they are developing. And truly, these OERs have revolutionized the complete world of education, and these are very user friendly. So thank you for listening to me. I will show you the Quizlet live how it looks. So when you go to the Quizlet live, wait, I need to check where is the. When I change my screen, why it gets. How do I know it is recording? Earlier one was recorded. what I was showing, that was recorded. Now just yeah. So once we go to the home page, I can show you the home page how it looks. The Quizlet. So here, if you see the different options of Quizlet, that is how it can customize. What I have created is the role of OERs. So there you have different options of showing as flashcards, learn. When I show on flashcards, see, these are the 5 hours of OERs. Then you have Creative Commons license. These are the different cards. And now see. Okay, okay. Okay, I will share it. Wait a minute. Yeah. So, yeah. I think now you can see.
Open OR.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So these are the flashcards. When I click on this, you will see the material. So these are the details of OER. Next, it is a flashcard. When I click on this, you will see retain, reuse, revise. Then when I click on Creative Commons, you can see the details of this. So like this, I have made the cards. This is a flashcard version. When I click on Learn, so it will be coming like a basic questionnaire form, where when you click, yeah. So LibreOffice and LibreOCR, these are the different things for text for, yeah, see. So like this, you can get, when I go back, it will now suppose, yeah. And now suppose I click on live. We have a live option for the Quizlet. When I click on live, so yeah. So when I click on create game, it will ask me for two things, teams or individuals. When I click on individual, select, and when I click on select, it will now generate a code which I can share with the learners. So see, the one which I can share with you, and by using this you can very well log in and you can play the game. What happened? Acha. No, that was just for a demonstration purpose. I have showed.
For demonstration.
Acha, acha. Okay, I will. Now once again the code will change. Now it is 859724. So now I think you can join in. So good to see you all.